Work on the DelVe squares has continued since the milling operation, and they are now ready to be anodized and laser engraved. Our freshly milled squares are sent to a local anodizer in Cleveland, Ohio, where they are dipped by hand in small batches to maintain quality and consistency. The anodizing process takes about 30 minutes, giving the squares a protective coating and finally coloring them with our signature Woodpeckers red. After the squares make their way back to the shop, they are set up in our laser engraver. And in less than a minute, they are given a name and precisely marked. Our state-of-the-art video optics system is then used to meticulously check the markings to exact increments. We double-check our work with this machine to make sure we've made the most accurate tool possible. After the engraving process, the DelVe squares are ready for packaging. Across our shop, we laser cut 1/4 inch foam for their custom cases, ensuring that the squares fit perfectly. As packaging continues, the production run of the DelVe square is wrapping up, and we will be shipping over the next few weeks.